Hi, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice heavy-duty press brake. This comes from the Knuth line, one of our favorite distributors. They've been around over 100 years, one of the heaviest duty, great support, great products, in-stock machine dealers that we work with. Now, this is the 220-ton, 10-foot CNC press brake. This has multiple axis CNC. You have in and out, as well as up and down on your Z, and you're gonna have also your X axis here on your RAM. So you can program that all into this controller right here. We'll show you that. Here you can see the DELEM Touch controller. It's going to have a nice graphical controller, show you exactly what you're going to be bending, which step you're in, and you can move on to the next one. Really, really simple information, all put in there. You'll see we also have crowning here. This is crowning for the bed. And what this does is it's going to go ahead and line this whole bed so you always have a nice straight bend. You've got your light curtains here. These are safety light curtains, of course. You got light curtains here on the rear. Again, safety is always important when using a press brake. Material is going to be moved all around. You can see a nice heavy duty back gauge, and that does have the up Z, X, Y, Z, R. Depending on what type of brake you're looking for, what you need, let us know. It all depends on the type of product you're going to be making, how many you're going to be making, what type of production you're going to be doing. If you're going to be doing something that's going to be changing out dies every day, or you're going to need something that's going to be quick to go ahead and move from one job to another, you can see here they have the quick clamping system. You turn that over, put your die piece in, clamp it, you're tight and ready to go. You can also set everything in here so you have your program to go back to. It's going to know what tooling you're going to have in there. You go in there, choose your program, and your operator can go ahead and make your piece. Now, if this is the type of brake you're looking for, if you're looking for something bigger or smaller, if you want to trade up and trade into something different, give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Well, we've had another great show here at Fabtech 2025 here in Chicago. Seen a lot of really amazing machines, seen a lot of really similar machines, which makes it really tough to decide exactly which machine would be best for your product or for your company. If you give us a call at Sterling Machinery, 626-444-0311, we can walk you through all the different options of all the different machines, why one might be better than the other, which tooling might be best for you, and help you choose which machines you're going to need. Give us a call, check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.